Hello everybody, welcome to BaoBob Channel. Today I am working on replace headlight bulb for Lexus. Here are some of the highlights. สบายดีพ่อแม่พี่น้องมื้อนี้มาสาธิตเรื่องการเปลี่ยนหลอดไฟ I will be working on the driver's side headlight bulb and then work on my passenger side. It's better to change both of them at the same time, even though the passenger side looks good. I can start with remove the cover by removed 9 clips. But in this video, I will not remove that because the clip, they're just so fragile. Okay, the first step is to remove windshield wiper container, the top portion of it. This will give me more space to work with. There's a 2 little knobs to help turn the housing. Just slowly turn it to your left or counterclockwise and just give it a little push. Usually it comes out. Then remove the electrical connector. You could do it before or you could do it after remove the cover. After remove the electrical connector, now remove the panel for the light bulb. The next step is to remove light bulb. Doing that is to unlock spring clip. Once you do that, you can just remove the light bulb. Here's the original light bulb. Here is a brand new light bulb. To install, just reverse the removal. Light bulb goes in first, lock the light bulb, and then put the first panel onto the back of the light bulb. And put the second panel to close the back of the headlight. Locks it, reconnect the electrical connector. Put the windshield wiper containers top portion back on. Always double check your work. Now let's work on the passenger side. It's not a lot of room and I don't want to take out the air filter housing. I'm just trying to see if I can take it out using the wrench to help me turn the headlight housing back panel, and it works. and here it is. And this is the back of the light bulb. Same process. Unhook spring clip, removed light bulb. For installations, reverse the removal process. Just take a little time to get it back in. Make sure it sits correctly. Just kind of wiggle around and to make sure it pops in and turn clockwise, and reconnect electrical connector. Double check your work, start up your car, test your headlights to see if it works. Don't forget to hit likes, subscribe. Thank you for watching.